Hey, what's up, Cardano holder? Today is gonna very special video about Cardano because Cardano is going down. So this is absolutely very bad news, but this is not bad news. I explain everything because I am also holder of Cardano. So therefore, Cardano is one of my favorite cryptocurrency. You know why? You know why? Because Cardano is moving up in every situation. This time Cardano absolutely give us a good result, but a few days before a few days the result is going down. You can see here, and the graph result absolutely goes down. So this is one result, one big result, and this result I explain everything in this video. But before I get start this video, I want to please click on the subscribe button. Please, you just click on the subscribe button. Subscribe is very important. You know why? Because if you click on the subscribe button, then you inform every information of all cryptocurrency, because every stake give you every good news or bad news of all cryptocurrency. So this is good for you. So don't forget to subscribe and don't forget to like video. Okay guys, so first of all, you can see here the chain is absolutely good, starting absolutely good. You can see here in the price as 1.24 US dollars. So this is absolutely good time and good price. So you know why they can again start a big jumping? This is one reason. Before 2 days, and last 2 days, the result as goes down. You can see here, absolutely the result as goes down. This is one reason, and the reason as that too. This is the start of month. You know, this is start of month. I explained it in a lot of videos, but in this video, this is a very for new user. Okay, for new holders who is new on my channel, please click on the subscribe if you are new on this channel. I explain everything and all cryptocurrencies. Okay guys, so this is the start of month. Therefore the people is gonna sell it, and therefore the price is going down, the changes as goes down. But again, they start off like a rocket. Absolutely, they again start every cryptocurrency, all cryptocurrency as goes down. But one of the Cardano unique as that they can go up like a rocket. Absolutely, and those days they can go up. So what your suggestion to they can not make you a millionaire to the end of this month? I hope they can make you a millionaire. They can make me a millionaire. So if they can cross here 1 or 10 2 US dollar, 2 US dollar to 10 US dollar, then what you said to they can make you a millionaire. Absolutely. So this is absolutely good time for buying. So don't waste your time, just buy it and hold it for to the end of month. Okay, and at the end of month, please sell it. I hope they give you a good profit. So thanks for watching guys. Please don't sell it, and also hold it. Okay, and if you want to make a good profit, then absolutely this is good time for buying. So buy it and hold it. Thanks for watching. Don't sell it. Allah Hafiz. See you next time.